वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। लास्ट के वीडियो में हमने देखा कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर्स इन सी। लेट्स राइट अ प्रोग्राम यूजिंग इट। लेट्स बिगिन with the decision statement, that is the if statement in C. Let's write a program to find maximum of 3 numbers in C. Let's begin. First of all, open your Turbo C++ editor. Click on Start Turbo C++. And now you are ready to go. So as usual, import the two header files, that is the std.h and conio.h. So I will tell you how to make the use of if statement in this program. Void main. So everything till here will be common. Integer a comma b comma c. Printf \n enter values of a comma b comma c. So we'll enter three values for a, b and c. So we will write the three values in one scanf only. One scanf person d, and person a, and person b, and person c. Till here it's clear. Now see how we write the if statement. If bracket, if a first number is greater than second number, and this is the and operator. This is used to join two condition, and a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then what we need to print? We need to print f \n a is greater. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then a is greater. Otherwise, if b is greater than c and b is greater than a, so first we took a, that is greater. Second, now we will check that whether b is also greater. If we are writing only one printf in a statement, then we don't need to give the bracket. Otherwise, if we are including more than one statement, then we need to give the curly braces. Greater. So अगर इधर तक देख रहे हो तो एक लाइक तो बनता है. If now third, if c is greater than a and c is greater than b. If now we first saw a, then we saw b, now we'll see c. If c is greater than both, then \n c is greater. So one by one we check that everything should be greater, and once it's over, get ch as usual and the bracket. So now let's compile it and see it whether we are getting an error. So no, we are not getting any error, we are getting 0 errors. So we'll run it. Oh, we just forgot control screen. CLR. Okay, now we'll run it. Okay, so it is asking for values A, B and C. So first we'll enter 2, then A will be 2, B will be 3 and C will be 4. So C is greater because 2 and 3 greater is 4. Now we'll see the other condition. C is greater. Now we'll see for A. 5, 4, 3. A is greater. Now we'll see for B. 6, 7, 2. B is greater. So how much easy it was to write a first if program that is the maximum of 3 numbers A, B, C. Now you can enter any number. Now I entered only one digit. You can enter 2-digit number and C. So this is the program for maximum of 3 number in C. So that's it for today. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.